Hello, good day. So this was my potato planting for last year that I did, and here we were getting the soil to be put into the sacks for the plantation. Here are different type of soils with the manure. I was going to start organic farming, so these are the seedlings we used. And here we are mixing the soil. Jamilu was helping me mix up the soil, and we added water for moisture. Here I was showing you guys the moisture. I was really excited for this, but then my cats did me dirty. So here I decided to help, and I got the dustpan. I don't know why I was even using a dustpan to help mix up the soil, but it's the thought that matters. We're mixing, packing it all up. And here was the one after planting. I have a total of 6 bags. 6 bags. And here, after a week, it has started sprouting, as you can see here. And I was telling my family we are not buying potato for Ramadan because it was early January. But then, as I said, the cats did dirty and they dug up all my plants.